Welcome back. The Nifty is firmly below, the 18,000 mark as we speak, closing in on that 17,900 mark as well. In fact, for a brief period, it was sub that 17,900 mark too. We have seen a wee bit of recovery from the lows of trade, and that perhaps may be on account of a couple of factors. The fact that we're down below that 18,000 mark has given a lot of these 18,000 call writers a lot of support. The next week is the December series expiry, so to that extent, we're seeing a fair amount of build-up in the 18,000 call. That has almost 76 lakh shares added in open interest for a premium of 120 odd rupees. So on the way up, 18,100 thereabouts could face some sort of resistance, and that also ties in with the 50-day moving average that the Nifty broke yesterday. On the way down, however, bulls believe that maybe 17,800 thereabouts could see some support, which is why the 18,000 put as well is seeing some sort of writing. So 150 rupees for the 18,000 put, telling you that 17,850 is an important support. For those who are selling both 18,000 call and put, they are playing for a much wider range of 17,750 to 18,250. But what's interesting is that the Nifty Bank is below its 50-day moving average. It was below the 20-day moving average a couple of days ago, and now it's broken below that 50-day moving average as well. And for the Nifty, which broke below that 20 and the 50-day moving average, is now eyeing that 100-day moving average, which is that 17,830 odd mark. So are we going there, or any of these levels see some support, is something that we'll have to ask Prakash Gaba, who now joins in with some trading strategies. Prakash, your thoughts? Are we looking to test the 100-day moving average on the Nifty, and any support in sight?
Well, good afternoon to you. Well, so far I was looking that 18,000 could hold, and 42,000 I would say on Bank Nifty could hold, but it has breached below that. So it's struggling now. To my mind, structure, when I look at it, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are weak. There is no any strength. Only perhaps in the last 2 hours or so we could see some short covering, because next week we have holidays, and being a Friday, people who are short may cover shorts and may not take it. So that is why I expect some kind of short covering. But so far it looks like maybe in the lower regions we are seeing short covering, but I'm not seeing buying. So in the absence of buying, market cannot go up. It can go up only limited due to short covering.
How would you approach a couple of these PSU banks, Prakash?
Well, State Bank of India is looking weak. It's broken down, and I would say that more of an exhaustion around 620 zones. They will come down to 580 possibly. We'll see lower levels to 550. And Bank of India and Bank of Baroda got exhausted in the upper region. So it's what we are seeing, there is some kind of a selling out in PSU banks.
All right, Prakash. Thanks a lot for joining in. Wish you a very Merry Christmas as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
With that, we'll